Hi, my name is Chad Shearn, and I'm an academic advisor in the Hankamer School of Business. Today I'm going to take you through the math module. Our first order of business is to go over your fall schedule. Your first 2 semesters here, you're going to take your first year requirements and then some arts and sciences courses. The first step in selecting math is to choose whether you want to do the business version or the scientific version of pre-cal and calculus. If you are certain that you're going to be a business major and are not interested in anything pre-health, then you will select the business version of pre-cal and calculus. If you are possibly interested in an economics major, the business analytics certificate, pre-health, or you're undecided on your major and are considering a science-based major, you will want to select the scientific version of pre-cal and calculus. If you have chosen to go with the business math, then you will start in either business pre-cal or business calculus. You will start in business pre-cal if you have a 25 ACT math score or lower, or a 610 SAT math score or lower. You will start in business calculus if you have a 26 ACT math score or higher, or a 620 SAT math score or higher, or an ALEX exam with an 80 or higher. In the scientific version of math, you will start in scientific pre-cal if you have an ACT math score of 22 or higher, an SAT math score of 550 or higher, or an ALEX placement exam score of 61 or higher. You will start in scientific calculus if you have an SAT score of 650 or higher, an ACT score of 27 or higher, or an ALEX exam score of 80 or higher. Next, we will talk about AP dual credit and the placement exam. For the Calculus AB AP test, you need to get a 4 or a 5 for credit for scientific calculus. For the BC test, you need to get a 3, 4, or 5 for credit for scientific calculus 1 and 2. Baylor does accept community college credit for pre-cal and calculus from a 4-year institution or a community college, but it does have to be approved by the math department. We also have the placement exam that's available in your Go Baylor account. This is the ALEX placement exam. It is not required for all business students. You need to take it if you are trying to place into calculus 1 for the scientific or the business version if you do not have the SAT or ACT math scores. As we conclude, I want to leave you with a few reminders. Only calculus credit is required, although you may need to take pre-cal to progress into calculus. The business school accepts scientific calculus or business calculus. You will be placed in a math class in the fall unless you have proof of calculus in the system at the time of your orientation appointment. And finally, students can make changes to their schedules in July.